Hello and welcome to Amazing Asmo. Our dreams and our goals give us direction in life. It tells us which way we should go and which roads to take. Remember, however, you can't get to your destination without stepping out of your comfort zone first. We know that comfort zones are important too, but we shouldn't let it stop us from chasing our dreams. Gather the courage to get out of your comfort zone. Go, follow the path that will ultimately lead you to success. Until next time, keep learning, keep evolving. If you feel that you want to contact me in order to get some more insight and guidance, do not hesitate to do so. Take action to move forward. Bye for now.